Audi TT Repairs. Audi is a German automotive manufacturer of luxury vehicles headquartered in Ingolstadt, Bavaria, Germany. As a subsidiary of its parent company, the Volkswagen Group, Audi produces vehicles in 9 production facilities worldwide. The 2019 Audi TT is a luxury sports car that combines distinctive design, advanced technology, and sporty performance. Audi's TT lineup is known for its iconic exterior styling, and the 2019 model continues to uphold the brand's reputation for blending style and performance. Here are some key features and specifications of the 2019 Audi TT. Here are common service aspects for the Audi TT. Regular maintenance schedule. Adhering to the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule is crucial. This includes routine inspections, fluid changes, and other maintenance tasks. Oil changes. Regular oil changes are essential to ensure proper engine lubrication and performance. The frequency may vary based on factors such as driving conditions and the type of oil used. Brake system inspection. Regularly inspecting the brake system, including brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid, is crucial for safety and optimal braking performance. Tire maintenance. Rotate the tires regularly to ensure even wear and replace them when the tread depth becomes insufficient. Keep an eye on tire pressure, as it can affect fuel efficiency and handling. Fluid checks and changes. Regularly check and, if necessary, replace fluids such as transmission fluid, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and coolant. Air filter replacement. Replace the engine air filter at regular intervals to ensure optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. Battery inspection. Check the battery regularly for corrosion, leaks, and proper voltage. Replace the battery if it shows signs of deterioration. Alignment and suspension checks. Periodically check and, if necessary, realign the wheels. Inspect the suspension system for wear and damage. Exhaust system inspection. Regularly inspect the exhaust system for leaks, rust, or damage, as a well-functioning exhaust system is crucial for emissions control and overall vehicle performance. Spark plug replacement. Replace spark plugs at the recommended intervals to maintain proper combustion and engine efficiency. Electrical system checks. Regularly check electrical components, including lights, wipers, and other accessories, to ensure they function correctly. Timing belt. Chain replacement. If your Audi TT has a timing belt or chain, follow the manufacturer's recommendations for replacement to avoid potential engine damage. Software updates. Keep the vehicle's software up to date by checking for any available updates at the Audi Service Center. For specific details and the most accurate information related to the maintenance of your Audi TT, refer to the vehicle's owner's manual or consult with a certified Audi Service Center. They can provide personalized recommendations based on your vehicle's model year and usage.